Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Santa Cat inspired by Aphmau's Meemeows. So let's get started. To draw this cute Santa Cat, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and draw a circle. And then come across about this wide and draw another circle. So the original, the eyes are much different. It has glasses and everything. And so I just felt it was just too complicated. So I'm just making it much simpler. So hopefully you like my version today. And so now that these two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I've got the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top and draw the brow. So right here over the eye, I'm going to draw a curve, kind of at a slant, and then I'm going to round it off and thicken it up. And so same thing on the other side, but right here, right over the eyes, at a slant, and once again, thicken it up for Santa's brow. Oops. And same thing here. There. So now that I have that, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a little oval for the nose. So about right here, just draw a little oval right in the middle. And then we need to draw a mustache. So I'm going to, let's see here, let's come on this side right here and we're going to draw a curve right in the center of this nose. Now come out with a curve, come down underneath the eye, and then go up. And then we're going to bring it right back towards the center of our nose and go up about right there. So same thing on the other side. Come to the center of this oval, give a little curve, go underneath the eye, and about right here, just like the other side, and go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. So now that I have this big mustache in, we need to draw the beard. So to make it a little bit easier, let's see here. Let's go to the center of our eye. So let's just say approximate. We're going to come about right here and I'm going to go out. So just imagining this big oval for the head. So I can say about right here, I'm going to come out to about this wide. I'll give myself a point. So same thing on the other side, the center of this eye. Approximately, and then come out just like the other side, about right here for the side of the face. So now that we have these 2 points, let's go ahead and we're going to draw a curve right underneath our eye and towards our mustache. So same thing over here. There. So now that we have this curve, we can go ahead and draw the beard. So usually all the Aphmau Meemeows, they're just nice and smooth curve for the bottom. But because this is a beard, I'm going to try my best here to just make it a little bit more curvy. So I'm just going to draw these curves as I come in. Just give our beard some texture. So I'm still drawing a big curve, but with these very subtle curves in here. So just have to make sure I'm still going at a curve. So if you're not comfortable doing this, you can definitely just draw a smooth curve first and then put in these bumps, or you can just make it nice and smooth. It doesn't have to have these bumps, but I was just trying to make it look more like a beard. Okay, there, bring this one out a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead, come back to where you started right here, and we can go up. So we're going up now, around the brow, around the eye, and bringing it in. So same thing on the other side. So about right here. Just easier for my hand to go this way. On this side, so I'm just drawing a curve. And then from there, let's bring it up a tiny bit more. Just come in a little bit more. And I just wanted it to be about the same height on the other side. And then from there, we can draw our hat. So I'm going to connect this with a curve right over our brow. About there. And then we can come up for the rim of our Santa hat and bring it in. Same thing here. Go up and bring it in and then connect. There. And then let's see here. But before, let's draw the ears before we finish the top of our hat. So I'm going to, let's see here, start about right here with the ears and go up. And say about right here, round off the tip and bring it in. So I'm just kind of aiming for this area right here. And then come in and draw the inside. Just following your outside. So same thing on the other side. Just drag this across, approximate, and then you're going to end about right here, just like the other side. You're going to start right here. So let's go up and drag this across, just so that I'm approximately the same height. Round off the tip and then bring it down. And once again, we're going to draw the inside. And here. There. Okay, so then now let's draw our hat. So let's come back to this area right here, and we're going to go up. And then towards the center, we're going to peak at the top and then come down. And then right about here, we're just going to draw a curve for the other side of our hat. Bring it in. And then we can put in a little tail right here for our hat. And then draw a poof ball to complete it. So that's why I wanted to draw the ears first. There. Okay, so hopefully I was able to help you with that and I didn't make it too complicated. And let's see if I'm missing anything. Okay, that's pretty much it for the face. And we're putting some details later. If you want, I'll help you with that. But let's draw the body. So I'm going to come to the top right here and approximately right about here. I'm going to start the body. So I'm going to go out and not too much. So about right here, I'm going to bring it down. For all the Meemeows I've drawn so far. Come down nice and round about right there. And then let's come over here for the front paw. So about right here underneath this eye. I'm going to go ahead and draw one paw and bring it in. And then about right here, just bring it across with a curve. Right there, and then bring this down, and we're going to draw the back foot. So come out, and just like the front, connect everything. Nice curve there. And then the other hand right about here. Just want to make sure we're in about the same. And bring it in. There, okay. And then a tail. So let's put in the tail about right here. And go up, nice and round. And bring it in. And then for the Santa outfit, we're going to come right about here, cut it off for a sleeve right here. And then in this area, we're going to cut it off. So let's say about right here, where this foot is, right there. And then if you like, you can pop this part out. So right about here, just pop it out. Pop out this curve and then thicken it up. There. Right there. So you erase that part, and then we're going to come in and draw another band for the belt. So skip a little bit of space and just follow that curve you drew. And then draw another curve. So about right here, we draw this belt. And go all the way across. There. Okay, and before I forget, I'm going to put a heart right here like I usually do on my Meemeows. And then last thing, if you like, we can add some holly berries right here on the hat. But we need to do some erasing if you want to do that. So let's come about right here and let's see here, try my best not to have to erase too many things. So here, let's draw one circle, two circles, and then right here we're going to pop in a third with a curve, and then the leaves. So let's come about right here. Put in a leaf, and then another one. So about right here. So we just have to do some erasing with the brow right there. So let's come in here really quickly so you can see a little bit better. And here. This is just a inexpensive whiteout pen that I got at Daiso many years ago. They don't sell the same brand anymore, unfortunately. But it's just a regular whiteout pen, so hopefully you can find something like that if you're drawing with a Sharpie, if you need to erase. Makes things much easier. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this Santa Meemeow from Aphmau and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.